Got my bag of crap from WOOT today and got it opened up. I'll show you what I got. There's the box that came in. Two kind of lunch bags with question marks on them, and these pens came in. These are WOOT pens. T-shirt. I think that's a women's medium. Let's eat kids, and let's eat kids. Punctuation saves lives. Might fit my wife. A bag of napkins, or a package of napkins for Christmas. Some kitchen tongs, probably come in handy. Square tower, 12 pieces. I think these are just little storage containers for whatever, not quite sure what they'll be used for, but it takes a minute to make a big impression. This looks like just maybe a plastic lei of some sort. These are gift stickers, bacon gift tag stickers with the bacon theme on them. Terminator, Arnold Schwarzenegger style sunglasses. Obviously for dress up. Not quite sure what this is. I think this is some sort of a necklace or something for kids. Probably dress up again. 3 huge glue pins. Goes on clear, dries clear. That might come in handy for something. Very stiff clasp of some sort. Not quite sure what you would use that for, but it's pretty tight. And things for kids. We got a book, How to Catch an Elf. I'm sure the grandkids will like that. A little game, Pop It, make mini creations with clay. You make little cupcakes with this kit. Sure the granddaughters will like that. And jarts, splash, pool darts. Again, the kids will like that. So this is kind of a good one for the kids for Christmas. And some of the stuff will go to them. Some of it will probably be garbage, but it was well worth it. $9.99, free shipping, can't beat it. That's all.